Welcome to Photoshop Art. Until now we enlarged images by cranking up the image resolution. That way new image is blurred and lost lots of details. But in the latest version of Photoshop you can make images larger using super resolution, machine learning tool, which is much better. To do that go to File. Open as. Locate your image and click on it once. From this drop-down list select the camera raw. Click Open. Your image is open in Camera Raw. Go to Image Thumbnail and make a right-click. Select Enhance. Check Super Resolution if it is not already. This gonna make the image double in size. Click Enhance. This made a new RAW file in Photoshop. And on your drive. Select the new enhanced file. Click Open. Check the new resolution. You can now save your file. This is Photoshop Art. Thank you for watching.